Hey guys, I want to explain how I'm doing this. So I built a wood template to fit around the engine to hold it level as it sits. So I built the template to fit up to the engine, essentially. And I use the floor jack, the whole motorcycle lift, to pick up the wood ramp to fit it. And then you can see I added a plate here so it doesn't slide right in there. It holds it in position. Move this plate up in there to fill the gap in there. And so now the bike is on this set of wheels. You know, and the straps are there for later. And so now I'm just gonna unbolt the back of the engine, and then lower the engine down by grabbing the foot, and then the engine will drop right below, and then the bike's hovering in the air by itself. And if I need to, I can jack the bike up even more. The problem is my stupid lift is losing all the oil, and so I can't get it up to full height like I used to. So it's making it more difficult. All right, so a couple of back bolts here, right here, one boom, and then on the other side, and I'll come back to you.